Right, let's go now, right? Okay. Take your time. He's pushing on too, the tall mine's there as well, right? Okay. Right. Twitches there. Go, Ogoshy grip. Ogoshy grip, Brian. Yes, there you go. That's the first one. Brian. Deep breaths now, right? Okay. Remember I said now, right? Okay. Remember I said, Bri? Take your time. Take your time. Don't wait, right, but take your time. Right, nothing silly. Come on now, I said this, come on. Dad. Brian, oh gosh, he's there. In tight, tight. In tight, right. Brian, oh gosh. Okay, nice. Nothing risky. Okay, nothing risky at all. Deep breaths. Let's go for the hips now, right? Okay, change it up. Yo! Brian. One more, Brian. Okay? Take your time, this is going to be a hard one, right? Deep breaths. Come on. On the hips now, okay? Brian, don't get overexcited now, okay? Take your time. It's there, mate. It is there, okay? Nothing risky. Right, let's go. Yes. Good. Pass, pass, pass. Right, take the back. There, work it now. Slowly work it. Use your heels to kick it off. Use your heels to kick it off. Use your heels, Brian, to kick it off. Back on top. Back on top. There you go. Pull your leg out there. Pull the leg out. Don't stop. That's it. There it is. There it is. Okay. Nearly there. Deep breaths. Hips, hips. Also call me, hold him. Right there. Now. Now. Use your heels. Oh. Well done, Brian. Excellent, Brian. Well done, Brian. Awesome. Good.